Okay, Mark and Tim, I'm going to go over just the plumbing concrete cutting. I'm back here in the back of house by the freezer. Okay, I've got 18 foot along the new freezer wall. See that trench, 18 feet long? Got a box, 36 inches square. I come to here and that's the 48-foot trench right here. You can see I have 2 or 3 wings in it. It's 48 feet long, and I call it the bread wall because the bread used to be here against this tile. So that trench there, 48 feet long. I come over here to aisle 1, underneath the windows here, and aisle 1 has a 36-foot trench with 4 of these wings. 4 of these 3-foot wings, 36 feet long. And out here, I've got a dry well for the plumber, which is just breaking out one of these sections. The last thing for the plumber, last concrete cutting for the plumber, square there and that square there, 18 inches long, 1 foot wide. 18 inches long, 1 foot wide, 2 of them. Those are the Plumbers concrete cutting hub drain connection trenches.